I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today we're going to talk about an Olympiad standard sum on linear equation on the topic of algebra. I'm going to read the sum before we can begin. Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. After 12 years, he will be just twice his son. Find their present ages. Okay, first let's understand what we need to do. We need to take Rahul's age as some literal, and we will also express Rahul's father's age in terms of that literal only. Let's consider Rahul's age as x years. As x years. Then Rahul's father's age is, as per information in the sum, Rahul's father is twice as old as Rahul. That means Rahul's father's age would be, therefore, Rahul's father's age equal to 3x years. Now, after 12 years, what will happen after 12 years? After 12 years, Rahul's age would be x plus 12 years. Then Rahul's father's age would be 3x plus 12 years. As per the sum, after 12 years, he will be just twice his son. That means Rahul's father would be twice the age of his son. That means after 12 years, father's age is 3x plus 12. Therefore, 3x plus 12 equal to twice the son's age after 12 years. That means 2 times x plus 12 the whole. Now let's solve this equation. Or 3x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 24. Just opened up the bracket. Or 3x minus 2x equal to 24 minus 12, a transposition, or x equal to 12. So we considered Rahul's present age as x years, and we were told to find their present ages. That means Rahul's present age is 12 years. Rahul's present age is 12 years. Then his father's age would be 3 times as his age. That means the father's age would be 3 into 12, that is 36 years. Rahul's father's present age is 3 into 12 years equal to 36 years. And these are our final answers. So I'm giving you a few moments to look at the board so that can sharpen your mind. Hope you enjoyed solving the sum with me, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. And in our next episode, we will solve the same sum using a different method. Thank you.